Introducing the UHBS2 from Cooper Lighting Solutions, the next evolution in high bay technology. Built for performance, reliability, and energy efficiency, the UHBS2 delivers powerful illumination for industrial and commercial spaces without sacrificing simplicity. It's designed with contractors in mind, offering toolless access and quick connect wiring to speed up installation and reduce labor costs. With multiple lumen packages and introducing selectable optical distributions, the UHBS2 adapts to a wide range of ceiling heights and applications, from warehouses to big box retail. 5 selectable CCTs provide on-site flexibility, letting you dial in the perfect color temperature for any environment. And with DLC premium listings, it's a smart choice for maximizing rebates and long-term savings. Durable, efficient, and easy to install, the UHBS2 is everything a high bay should be. Rugged design, reliable performance, ready for anything. To see the full specification breakdown, check the description below or connect with a Max 2 Agency's lighting consultant today.